Hello friends, this is Sanjay from Sanjay Driving School. Today's lesson is about the signal. So what are the requirements and how long you need to give signal when you go for your drive test. Signals are very important. Because of the signals, you're letting others know what is your intention. You turning right or turning left. So first rule is for 5-second indicator. You have to give whenever you leave the car park or any stationary position beside the road. So this time you must have to give signal at least 5 seconds, and rest of the places, like when you do lane changes, right lane to left lane to right lane, or you turning from one street to left or right, or whenever you pulling over your car, you must have to give signal for 3 seconds. So only 5 seconds whenever you leaving car park or beside the road. Rest of places you must have to give signal at least 3 seconds. So we do some practical. So now I'm in the car park. So I'm leaving the car parking now. So I start my car and I give signal right because I'm going to right hand side. So I give signal right for at least 5 seconds. Even no one is coming. So now I check the mirrors, check, and I turn right. So I'm turning left, I give signal left. Check on right hand side, no one coming, and I turn left. The next traffic light, I'm going to turn left. So I give signal left. So I'm turning left into the left lane. And now I'm moving to the right lane. So I need to give signal right. Minimum 3 seconds. I check my mirrors, head check, and move into the right lane. And now I'm moving to the left lane. I give signal, check the mirrors, head check, and move into the left lane. So any lane changes must give signal at least 3 seconds. And other very important, if any chance signal will get cancelled, make sure you give your signal again. So next street I'm turning left, I give my signal left and enter through the dotted lines, and I do head check because I'm crossing the bicycle lane. So any turning left, right, minimum 3 second indicator. Changing lane, minimum 3 second indicator. Next roundabout, I'm turning right. So I need to give signal at least 3 seconds. I give my signal right now. Check on your right hand side. No one is coming. So on this street, I'm going to do pull over. So I have to give my signal at least 3 seconds, and I check middle mirror, left mirror, and pulling over onto the left side. So minimum 3 seconds whenever you pull over. And now I'm going to move off from the curb. So this time I have to give signal minimum 5 seconds. So I give my signal right. Same time I check my middle mirror, right mirror, and head check, and 5 second finish, and I move out. So whenever you're leaving from the car park or moving out from the car, minimum 5 seconds, and whenever you're turning left, turning right, do your lane changes, you must have to give signal at least 3 seconds. I hope you like my video and learn about the signal requirement. For more useful video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you in next week. Bye.